ain't hitting right though. I never said that I would spend the night though. Now why you mad for? You know how it go. And if I ever wrote I love you shit, that must have been a typo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JC Honey and we're back at it again with another motherfucking video. Hi, if you're new, welcome to the channel. I am sorry that you ended up clicking in this fucking video and you see this. The first thing you see is this. I'm sorry. But if you're a returning member of, I don't know what I'm gonna end up calling you guys, but thank you for being the MVP and watching my videos. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna be installing some hair extensions I ended up buying off eBay. I'll end up putting the link to in the description of the hair that I'll be using. I don't remember the name of the hair, but I also don't want to like 100% like give them any type or sense of like advertisement in my channel, just because I found two little complaints that are little to some, but to me it was like a major like situation. But I did end up figuring out it's actually real hair, and yeah, I'm able to use it on my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go along with the video just for the fuck of it, just because honestly now I know for the next time not to purchase from them. But like I said, the hair is still usable and I can still put it in my hair. Yeah, so I do want to mention that I did end up dyeing the hair extensions to match my current hair color, because the color I ended up ordering was a little too light to what I expected it to be, and honestly I wasn't gonna have two different types of black on my hair. So I went ahead and box dyed my hair. So I bought a drugstore hair box dye, and I ended up dyeing it last night, and yeah, so I actually ended up liking the hair color that it ended up turning out to be, obviously because I have it on my hair. Sorry, my dog is barking really loud again and again. Okay guys, so I ended up purchasing two different types of length of hair. For one length, I ended up buying 3 packets, which is basically 3 sets of 20, but in total each set only gives you 10 strands. I don't know if that makes sense. I'll end up explaining that a little bit later, but the reason why I did 3 16s and 1 14 was because honestly I grabbed the 14 for the just in case, for the same reason of it not being maybe thick enough as it said it was going to be. But I'm glad that I did end up buying it, because now I have more hair and it won't look wanky. Okay, honestly my hair's not bad for it being fucked around with all the fucking time, but today we're gonna be adding some extensions, okay? And this is my first time doing any type of fucking tape-in extensions. Honestly, I'm used to doing the clip-ons that I do. I've done my own clip-ons. Now, I've just been more into hair than anything lately. So I've been experimenting here and there. But like I said, I'm used to doing the clip-ons, and I'm not trying to do clip-ons every fucking day. So I decided to do the tape-ins. Go ahead and start with the video. Honestly, guys, go along with me. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I saw one video on YouTube, and that's basically what I'm going off of. And if it doesn't come out right, I'll just take them off. And if it comes out right. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. So what you're gonna need is the following. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a rat tail comb. You're gonna need some type of clips, multiple clips. Make sure. I don't know if you like clips or not, but also get some hair ties just in case. And obviously you want your hair ready to go. Also, make sure that you have your I'm sorry that I didn't post like the whole process. It was just taking forever, honestly, and it was a little harder at the beginning because I didn't have anyone to help me at the beginning, and my mom kind of came in the clutch and helped me out at the very end. Also, I don't think I'm gonna end up doing much other than maybe having a little trim here and there. Maybe, I don't know if I should do bangs, like do some short bangs. So maybe like, I don't know, maybe some hair bangs. I don't know. I like the way it looks right now. You can't even tell where my hair is at, which is awesome. And yeah, I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will be linking down below the hair site that I got it from, or I got it from eBay, but the link will be down in the description below. Like I said, I wouldn't really promote it, but because the hair did work and it's actually like real hair, and I was still able to use it. That's the only reason why I am linking it down below, because you know, like, you might be on a budget and you don't want to be spending that much money. This is the cheap way out, and honestly it's really, really good quality, and it doesn't feel heavy on my hair, which I assumed it would. Also, I only ended up using 2 packs of hair and a half. I ended up using 2 of the 16 and then 1/2 of the 14th. Yeah, actually, I'm digging it. My mom likes it, and honestly, I feel like definitely back in like 2006 vibes right now. Damn, that was hella long time ago. I haven't had my hair black long like this in a long time. I think like before senior year. But like I said, hope you guys like and enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.